guys, it's Koala Doll. Welcome back to my Soft Life Hard Hustle Hangout. Today I'm going to show you guys what I bring with me in my work bag for when I go to the club at night for stripping. Well, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so my dancer bag. I have this nice little lemon bag. It's held up for me for like 3 years. I've been doing it now. Alright, so we'll start with this pocket. You always have to bring a bandana because you have to like put it on the chair when you sit down and put it between you and the customers. So this is my money bag that I use to carry on the floor. I like to have something with a strap because one that's just on your wrist, I don't trust as much, I guess, and it's just, I don't like to carry things, so, and then I always have in it, this is what I actually put the money in, so it's separate, because if I just throw it in there and then I put my phone in there, it'll fall out, I'm sure of it, so put the money in here and zip it up, and then I have my little OF cards that I give out to the people I dance for, and then some lip gloss and some hair ties. So that's what goes in my actual bag, and then I always have my phone in there too. So that's what goes in the actual bag that I carry on the floor. Also keep in mind with this bag, I'm a person who's always extra prepared. So maybe some of my stuff isn't always what's needed in bags, but I mean, it's what I like to take with me. Just, and then I won't be without something I need. So I always bring a backup, like, black outfit for if I'm not liking my colored outfits that night. And then I have, like, a backup, it's just like a slingshot, so, and black top. I just keep that just in case my other outfits aren't working. It's like my emergency outfit. And a water bottle. And it like collapses. It doesn't take up too much space. And then in here, this is where my actual outfits go. So if they're not looking good, that's when I wear the black ones. And also keep in mind too that I keep my shoes at work just so I don't have to carry them back and forth. But I have like a small locker like this that I just keep them in there. And I bring this just in case it's a charger. It's like a power bank. Just in case my phone is like dead and I want to go on the floor and I don't want to leave it in the back, so it fits in my bag with me. And then I have an actual like charger I always bring just in case. And this pocket is just like essentially toiletry stuff, so you know, like tampons, mints. I have a permanent marker because I sell posters too, so if someone wants me to sign it or whatever. Advil, clear straps, and a band-aid, Q-tips, pasty cover things for, you know, and then this is like some backup, like for your earrings, like the backs of them, just in case one falls out. And I have like a belly ring in there in case I forget to put my ring back in. And then just some like cold and flu stuff because it's happened to me where it just kind of hit me when I was there, and a little perfume thing. And then, oh yeah, I do want to make sure to show this off because this is something I never see anybody else have, but it's so convenient to have if I can find it. Yeah. And I always bring safety pins. I know all my organization bags are like mini bags, but yeah. Because I'm a very organized person. I had this really cute outfit that I wanted to wear the one night, and I started with it on, and then I did a dance and undid it, and the string came out. And I couldn't get it back through, so I had to stop wearing that outfit that I just got that I really wanted to wear, and I was really sad about it. So I always bring these, so if the string falls out, you can feed it back through. And it's held a lot of girls a lot of times having this with me. I've given it to them to borrow, and like, so you don't have to change your outfit if you really like it. Yeah. It's really helped me quite a few times, surprisingly. It's a really random thing to have in there. You just never know. Yeah. Okay. That's that. And then I have hair ties in the front. And then bobby pins in this. That's like my quick grab spot for hair stuff. And then this side pocket here. This is why I like this bag. It has so many pockets. Okay, so as every dancer knows, this spray, it's just like pH friendly, but it's like spray for down there. Not that I smell down there, and nobody does really, but it's just to make it smell like flowers, because it obviously doesn't naturally smell like flowers. Body spray. This stuff smells. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yeah, and I'm holding this. I didn't even show you. This is like a little portable fan. So, and it technically can charge your phone, but I don't feel like it would last very long. You can like, it might not stay. Oh, it stands up on like flat surfaces, so when I'm like really hot after stage, I can use it. And then a little lotion. This stuff is so good because it's not greasy, so it doesn't like get all over the pole. And then I always bring these too, just in case I have a strap that breaks at work. It's like straps that go on heels that you just put the heel through there, and then it. So I don't like the shoes that don't have straps on them. I don't trust them. So, and a hairbrush, deodorant. Oop. And then grip spray for the pole. This stuff is my favorite. And then hairspray. It's in the wrong spot, but hairspray. Oh, and this stuff, it's like body, so you put it right here, it's like body highlighter, and it makes your chest look really nice. Alright, and onto the bottom pocket here. These are really good to have. Some girls just take baby wipes, but these I like best because, I mean, you can use them as baby wipes for anywhere, but I mean, I am like sensitive down there, so I can't just be using baby wipes. This stuff is like actually like girls friendly stuff. This is my little hair bag. I have everything in their own bags. So this is like serum for your hair. And a little mini straightener, just in case I need to like fix something up. And a comb. Headband for if I'm really having a bad hair day. And then this is water, just to like fix a piece or whatever if I need. Hydrating spray. This is for like my little edges per se, because they get dry, and especially because I had a hair transplant done like 2 years ago, almost exactly 2 years ago I think now, and it gets really dry on those new transplanted areas. So scrunchie, toothbrush is also for those little edge pieces. Baby powder is what I use just for like a dry shampoo there if it's an absolute like emergency. And just little clips, edge gel. I think this is scalp cream, kind of frizz cream. And then this is glue for when if my extensions start coming loose or anything. And then some mini elastics. And a claw clip. And then just like the non-denting clips too. For if my hair is acting wild. Scrunchie. Regular stuff. See, like, you don't need all this stuff, but I like to have it just because I never know if I'm out somewhere. Sometimes I go out of town and then all of a sudden I decide I want to hit the club there. And I like hadn't prepared for it, so this way I have this stuff so I can prepare for it if need be, I guess. And then this is all just makeup in here, like, for the same reason. If I am out and I didn't do my makeup yet or something. And also, all this stuff has really, I've never not used something in here. And then this is foot spray, which is, it's for, I think it's like actually technically for like the smell, but I mean, I don't use it for the smell. It just gives your foot a nice grip on it, so I don't slide, like, because if you wear the shoes enough and your feet sweat at all, like, they start to like slip through the bottom and it starts to like hurt and dig in. So this makes it so that they kind of grip to the shoe instead of slide in it. So super helpful. But yeah, and I think that's, oh, stickers, my stickers, and then yeah, that's everything. So, and then I keep my shoes in my locker at work, but then I keep an extra pair in my car, so if I'm ever do that thing where I just decide out of town I want to dance somewhere. But yeah, this is, after years of packing bags and like having stuff I didn't need and all that with me, this is the stuff I've come to terms with that I keep in there. And I've used it all, and I use it all pretty regularly, so maybe this will help someone who doesn't know what to bring. But yeah, so that's what I keep in my work bag. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a like or a thumbs up, and you can follow me on my other links that I'll list below. And I'll have a new video for you guys next week on something else. I'm not sure what yet, but if you have any questions, either leave them below, or anything that you specifically want to know about my job or my life, then yeah. So until next time, baddies.